too. Wisco be the beast from the east, spin a couple for these tattoos and the whip too. Got little mama looking big eyes, seen a new ride.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Wisco, and I'm back today with a brand new video. And for this one, it's gonna be a quick little tutorial of one of my favorite mods, or should I say, performance upgrades to my car. So, not too long ago, I did a tune with Cisco Performance, and they gave me something called rolling launch control, which is, to me, the most fun, craziest tune you can do to a GT-R. So basically, you can set your car up for rolling launch, where you can have it on cruise control at a certain what is it called, like certain miles per hour. So for me, for example, I would do like a 40 roll, and then you set it on cruise control for a 40 roll. You floor it, and then when you cancel your launch control, it takes off. So this is amazing for like if you're on a highway or something and somebody wants to line up and then just take off. You can basically just put it in rolling launch control and just take off like that. So it's pretty fun. It's dope. They showed me how to do it. I've probably done it like 3 or 4 times. It's scary as hell, but it's definitely one of my favorite mods to the car. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how I do it and the settings and everything, just so you can see exactly how easy it is to perform. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my cockpit. This is everything pretty much that you will see in the GT-R, the POV view, you know what I'm saying? But basically, right here is what you care about the most. So these are your settings right here for your transmission, your suspension, and your VDC, or your vehicle dynamic control. Basically, you're gonna just put all of these in race mode. And once every single one of these are in race mode, that's pretty much the first step is done. Just make sure they're all in race mode. Then you're gonna come over here, and this is where your cruise control settings are. So this is what you care about right here. So you're gonna turn cruise control on. As you can see right there, there's a little green button that just popped up. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully that can focus, probably not, but it says cruise. So that's how you know your cruise control is on. As I'm driving, obviously it's gonna be driving like normal. You're gonna see your miles per hour right here go up. Pretty much you want to make sure it gets to at least 40 miles per hour. Once it's at 40 miles per hour, you're gonna press what is it, set right here. So it says coast or set. So you're gonna click down on set. It's gonna lock it in at 40, and then that's when you come down here and you just floor it all the way down. You give it full throttle. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay at 40, and then when you're ready to launch, as you're driving doing your 40 miles per hour, you're gonna press cancel. When you press cancel, the car is gonna take off. And that's pretty much the steps right there to get your rolling launch control to be activated and to actually utilize it. Like I said, it's pretty fun, it's pretty amazing, and yeah, it's like one of my favorite things to do with the car when I have that open space. Definitely don't do this on a congested street, or do this like, you know, in a parking lot, because you will cause some damage to your car or to pedestrians, or just throw yourself in jail, get your car towed. You know what I'm saying? Don't even put yourself in that situation. But if you have that space and you want to, you know, just have a little bit of fun with the car, this is definitely one of my favorite mods to do to your car. So but yeah, so that's pretty much the settings. Once again, let's go through it again. So put everything in race mode. 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna put your cruise control on. Turn that on. Cruise control button is illuminated right here. It says cruise. You're gonna drive the car, get it to 40 miles per hour, or a little higher if you want to, or less. It's up to you. Floor it all the way down, full throttle, and then when you're ready to launch, press cancel. And that's pretty much it. So let's take it on the road and show it in real time. Alright, so let's put it in race mode. 1, 2, and 3. That. Cruise control on. And let's start driving. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have race mode all turned on. I have cruise control on. I'm gonna get it to 40 miles per hour right now. I'm gonna set it to 40. Now it's the cruise control. I'm not flooring it. I'm gonna floor it. Hear that? And cancel. Just like that. That's it. That's how easy it is. That's how easy it is. Alright guys, back in the garage. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention was that when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're in manual mode, because obviously you have to upshift. But pretty much, yeah, just 40 to 40 miles per hour, 42, 45, whatever. That's a good spot to be at, because you're in the low RPMs. But what you want to do is you want to be at least in the second gear. So you start off in second gear, get it to like 40 miles per hour, and then when you press cancel and you launch, then you're gonna be able to shift, you know, and hopefully you can shift smooth. And yeah, that's pretty much how you're supposed to be doing it. Like I said, it's just real simple, easy steps. Race mode on all settings, cruise control on, floor it around 40 miles per hour. Make sure you're in second gear, press cancel, take off, shift. That's it. It's pretty simple, pretty smooth, super fun. You know, it scares me every time I do it. It sounds amazing, and it's just one of the things where it's like, yeah, if you're gonna do a tune, like I have a ECUTEK, if you're gonna do anything, make sure that the shop that you go to, they have this kind of the option to be able to do that the roll and launch control, because it's like a game changer. It's so much fun, and it's a must for a GT-R. So, but yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to press that like button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And as always, be safe, take care, and God bless. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy Wisco, and I'm out. Peace.